You ever been in a situation where you needed to send money to someone fast? Like, really fast? Maybe it was a last-minute birthday gift, or you forgot your wallet at home and need to cover your tab. Whatever the case, you've probably thought, man, I wish there was an easier way to do this. Well, guess what? There is. It's called Cash App. But before we dive into what it is and how it works, let's talk about why you might need it. Think about the last time you tried to send money to someone. Maybe you wrote a check, or maybe you did a bank transfer. How long did that take? Days? Maybe even a week? In today's fast-paced world, that's just not cutting it. People want instant gratification. They want things now. And that includes sending and receiving money. This is where Cash App comes in. It's a mobile payment app that lets you send and receive money instantly. It's like having a digital wallet in your pocket. No more waiting around for checks to clear or dealing with slow bank transfers. But what if you're new to the world of mobile payments? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll break down everything you need to know about Cash App, from setting up an account to sending and receiving money. We'll even show you some of the cool features that make Cash App stand out from the crowd. So, if you're ready to ditch the old-fashioned ways of sending money and embrace the future of payments, then stick around. We're about to show you why Cash App is the app you've been waiting for. But first, let's answer the burning question: what is the web link for Cash App? Well, here's the thing: Cash App is primarily a mobile app. You can download it for free on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. But there is actually a website where you can access some features, like checking your balance or transferring money to your bank account. The web link for Cash App is cash.app. Pretty simple, right? Now, before you go rushing to your browser, let's talk about some of the things you can do with Cash App. We'll cover that in our next video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.